Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw a tortoise mandala. Let's look at the materials that we require for this class. For this class you will require a protractor, a compass. Here I am using this compass, but you can use a normal compass as well. And a 15 centimeter ruler. A 0.5 lead pencil. We are using 0.5 and not 0.7 or 0.9 because these pencils create really fine lines unlike the other pencils. So this will help us in adding details in the picture. Let's start with our work. First draw a 10 centimeter line and mark at 5 centimeter over here. Next, mark at 0.9 centimeter. I'm writing this down on this little corner. You can look over here as well. Then 1 centimeter and then 2 centimeter. Also mark at 1.9 centimeter. Next, you will mark at 2.9 and 3 centimeter. Similarly, you will proceed 3 centimeter, 3.9 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4.9 centimeter and 5 centimeter at the end. So once you have marked from the center, take these measurements into radius and make circles passing through these points. Over here I'm sticking on a masking tape. Take this tape and rub it over your cloth a little so that the gum becomes a little faint, and then stick it over the page to avoid any hole in the paper. And then from here you start making circles passing through these points. Feel free to rotate the paper as per your requirement, or even the sketchbook if you're using one. In my case, I just hold the top portion of the compass and I roll it up in my fingers, and that works for me. But you can go on as it pleases you, as you find it convenient for yourself. Once you are done with this, remove this masking tape. Next, over here, sketch out the tortoise. I'll make a line passing from this portion over here and then attach the neck of the tortoise with this baseline. As you can see, the baseline touches the second circle that we have drawn. Second circle from the inside. And now from here, you make the head of the tortoise and its mouth here and its neck. Now I'll erase all the lines that are present under this line over here, and then I'll make this line over here, making the front foot of the tortoise, the middle one and the back one as well. Make a line like this. Make sure that the sizes of all the foots are the same. Here I made a mistake, it wasn't equal, so I'm going to make it equal. Next, place the protractor at the 5 centimeter point that we used as the center for making the circles, and from there you start making points at every degree, starting from 0 all the way to 180 degrees. After making these points, you join them with the center line, passing to the other side of the circle as well. Next, using the eraser, lighten up these lines over here. And next, you start making the design. First, starting from the center, I used 2 lines over here to make this petal, like this. Then add circles on the next circle. Make sure that all the circles are of equal sizes. Next over here, I'll cover up 2 lines to make this U shape, like this, and continue this design throughout the circle here. Feel free to rotate your notebook so that you can easily make these designs. This will also help you in making these designs perfectly. Next, add a line and a dot on top of it over here inside this design to fill it up. For the next design, make spirals like this. Again, I'll be covering up 2 lines for this. Make one spiral and then we make an inverted U shape, this kind of a design. Again, a spiral, an inverted U shape, and this inverted U shape also comprises of the I alphabet, the design that we made in the earlier circle. Now we move on to the last circle and we use one square for the leaf and the other for a spiral here. So this way we'll continue this pattern, leaf, spiral, and it goes all the way to the end. Okay, we forgot to add the tail of the tortoise here. Once you are done with this, using a black gel pen, outline everything. Outline this flower at the center and fill out the spaces that are present over here. Make sure you are not outlining the mandala mat that we made in the beginning of the video using the protractor and the scale. We will only keep our focus onto the design of the mandala. The mat was made just to help us with the placing of the elements. Once you are done with the outline, now using your black gel pen, fill out the areas that I'm filling up over here. filling up these areas, we put forward the design in the picture. The bottom over here also, I broaden up this line. Now we'll start with the painting part. Take light green color and fill this color on the body of the tortoise. For this area, I take a little dark mixture of the green color and add it in this area while it's still wet. Next, we'll start painting the design. The center design will be painted in violet color. Next, I'll use cobalt blue color for the next design, the one containing the circles. For the next design, take lemon yellow color. For the next design, take orange color. And the last design has red color in it. Also paint the tail of the tortoise in green color. And that's it. We are done with our picture.